Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
What power supply do I need for Ring Doorbell? Both Ring Video Doorbell Pro and Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2 require a doorbell transformer rated at 16 to 24 VAC 50 or 60 HC, 10 to 40 VA. Troubleshooting will be the same for both doorbells, but if you want to see which version of Video Doorbell Pro you have, you can look it up in the Ring app. Can I use a 24-volt transformer on a 16-volt doorbell? While not the most ideal configuration, it is possible to use a 24 volts transformer on a 16 volts doorbell provided an appropriate resistor is installed between the two. A multimeter should be used to obtain the value of the current in the circuit. What voltage does Ring Doorbell Pro need? 16 volts AC. Your hardwired doorbell transformer needs to have enough voltage to power your device. Both Ring Video Doorbell Pro and Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2 require a power source that supplies a minimum of 16 volts AC. How do you hardwire a Ring doorbell without an existing doorbell? What is this? The easiest way to install a Ring Video Doorbell if there are no wires is to use an indoor power adapter that plugs into a power source. It is a simple adapter with a transformer built in which ensures that your Ring Video Doorbell receives the appropriate voltage.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.